people involved, people are stubborn in a no mood, family involved here. You are this person's wish. Everyone is talking about your relationship. Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel Little Love Stories. Today I'm gonna do your weekly love reading for the month of January, Saturday special. Keep in mind that these readings are channel. This may be resonate with you or maybe not resonate with each and every one of you. If it resonates with you, you can take guideline from these readings, and if it not resonate with you, you can simply ignore it. And for covering every area of your love life, I will use this spread, this pattern. This is easy for both of us to understand what is happening in your person's mind, what they're thinking towards you, and what their feelings towards you. Okay, let's get started. Gemini, what are the Gemini person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Gemini? What are the Gemini person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Gemini? What are the Gemini person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Gemini? And we are having here Four of Wands, King of Cups, Ace of Pentacles, the Death. Okay. What are the Gemini's feelings toward this person? What are the Gemini's feelings toward this person? And we are having here Five of Wands, Five of Cups, Four of Cups, the Ten of Cups. What are the mutual energies? What are the mutual energies? And we are having here Seven of Cups, Ten of Wands. Okay, these are your cards and sign that would relate to your person. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Ten of Wands, Four of Wands, Five of Wands. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces with this Five of Cups, Four of Cups, Seven of Cups, King of Cups. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Ace of Pentacles, Scorpio with this Death card. Okay, let's talk about your person's feeling first, Gemini. And there is some kind of a meetup, family celebration. This person is like feeling like that you are busy with your family and with your friends, and you are like having a good time with your friends and with your family, and you are a complete like package of stability. You are emotional, you are passionate, and you are calm down, and you got everything in you. You are responsible in love. You know what is the value of love. This is what they getting a feel from you, but you are not giving your cup of love to this person. And with this Ace of Pentacles, this person want to offer you stability, clarity. This person want to offer you a stable relationship, a relationship with a strong foundation. And this is something change in this person. There is a major change in this person's side, and this in this person maybe something is ended between both of you. Something is end. I think something is end between both of you, and because there is a Four of Cups in your side, and there is a Death in this person's side. You are stubborn here, and this person is like there is a transformation in this person, and this person want to offer you what you want them to do. And with this Knight of Cups, this person like showing you like they are so sober here, they are so ideal here, and you are the way you got everything in you, they also have everything in them. And with this Five of Wands, there is some kind of discussion. This person feel like that you are happy. There is a meetup between you and your family, and you are celebrating with your friends and family. But the thing is that there is also with also there is a discussion about this relationship. There is a drama, there is a discussion going on in this person's family and your family. There is people involved in this relationship, people involved, people talking about this, giving their opinion, giving their disputes. There is giving their point of view. There is a dispute, there is a, like something like that. There is a clearly there is something discussion about you. Everyone is discussing about you and this relationship and about this person, Gemini. This is all about that, and you are like a loop in past. This is your current situation, Gemini. You are regretting over past, and you are still stubborn. You are not going to take anything from this person. You are stubborn in a no mood right now with this Four of Cups. This person want to offer you this stability, this clarity, but you are not taking this cup of love, and you are no mood, and you want someone, you want happy ending in your life. You want someone give you the completion of love, happiness, family, you want a complete love in your life, and this is what you want and this is what you deserve, and you are not taking anything from this person because you are regretting over this person. You are this person, maybe this person is a regret for you. And with this five of cups, and there is a discussion is going on, temperature is high in the room, and everyone is talking about you and your about this person. And with this seven of cup, this person is confused, a lot of choices there, and they are confused, and their mind is like in clouds, and there is illusions and fog in this person's head. And you feel like that this person is like a lot of baggages and a lot of burden on this person's shoulder. This person keeping a lot of unnecessary things they really don't want to keep. And this maybe their family, their folk, their people, they are holding them so tight, and pressure, taking a pressure, maybe their friends and family, and their family is a burden on their shoulder and compressing them. This is getting the feel. Definitely family involved here. So let's see what else we have for you. What else for Gemini? What else we have for Gemini? What else we have for Gemini? And we are having here the Hierophant, the Fool, and as an outcome, the Star. So with this Hierophant, there is a commitment, there is a marriage proposal there. This person want to marry you, this person want a commitment, this person want long-term commitment, this person want to marry you, this person offering you their, long-term commitment, and you are taking a leap of faith. In upcoming days, you feel like that there is a new beginning, maybe there is a new beginning waiting for you, and you are taking a leap of faith here, and you want to have a new beginning. You really don't want to again this loop, and everyone is talking about you, everyone is discussing about this relationship, and there is like their family is their big restriction and the burden on their shoulder, and you are finding a balance. In upcoming days, Gemini, only one thing you do, and this thing is meditation. You will meditate, you try to heal, you try to find your balance, your inner beauty, and you will like a star. You are and also you are unapproachable for this person. You are like a star, and this person is wishing for you. You are this person's wish. This person is wishing for you. You are like a star. They want to reach you, but you are unapproachable, and you are finding a balance in your life. So let's see, what should you do? What should you do? What should you avoid? And what else we have for you, Gemini? How to heal, how to deal, and what else we have for Gemini? And we are having here the Lovers, Two of Cups, Five of Wands. Five of Wands again in your chart. Like everyone is talking about this relationship, and the lovers, this person want a soulmate connection with you. This person want they want you to consider them as your soulmate. This is what they want from you, and this person feel like that you are their divine partner, you are their the loved one, and you blessed and a fated partner, and you want soulmate connection in your life, and this person want you to choose you as their soulmate, and you want soulmate connection in your life with this Two of Cups. And definitely you should seek for your soulmate, and you are a believing in soulmate, you are a believer here, and you want Two of Cups soulmate connection in your life. And this person like you are, there is choices as well. This person is confused, and this person want you to choose them as their soulmate, and they think like that they are yours. Then you need to recognize that. And with this Five of Wands, again a lot of discussion, a lot of fight, a lot of people involved in this relationship, not doubt, family involved. Maybe this person's family is involved, and maybe your family is involved, but the outcome is Five of Wands. You need to avoid don't compress, because people giving explanation, people giving opinion, people talking about you, and giving their opinion and their point of view, and they are fighting, and there is some kind of competition is going on. There is like a lot of restriction between both of you, and you feel like that this person feel like that they need to upcoming days, you feel like that a lot of people you need to deal in order to close, and a lot of people involved in this, family involved, friends involved. They're talking about your relationship, everyone is discussing about you, and what thing you avoid, you need to avoid, don't compress, don't influence with their opinions. Okay, let's see what your angel want to add in this reading. What your angel want to add in this reading? I am angel of abundance. You will receive the money that you need, and God is in charge of how that will happen. Have faith. Beautiful message from your angel. Like, it's a positive and beautiful good news message from your angel. And okay, let's see what advice messages I should have for you. Think about yourself and value yourself. Pray to the God for peace in your life. Peace in your life. Walk on grass barefoot. Cure your heart. These are few advice messages in the end, and the summary of your reading is this person, there is a change in this person, a major change, and there is a lot of discussion is going on. Everyone is talking about your relationship. There is a competition. This, you have to pass a lot of people in order to be together. You feel like that, and this person feel like that. There is a soulmate connection between both of you. Do you want soulmate connection in your life? These are few summaries of your reading. Hope this helpful for you. Thank you so much for your time and attention. God bless you. Bye. And you guys should seek for your soulmate.